Hi guys, it's me Ubprogrammer and this is day 4 of 100 days of Kaggle. This was day 3 video and I just entered into a competition, Kaggle competition. Let me just show you. Okay, do that and so what was I doing in these first 3 days? I was just going through the getting started competitions. The data set was small, everything was going good for me as a beginner, right? But now I have started to joining the competition which are like going on in the real time when I am recording this video. So 4 days to go and this is playground like competition and it got really like heavy data set for me as a beginner. I'm not sure how to handle these kind of data sets, so that's like first problem on the day 4 of my journey for the Kaggle I am facing. And uh, I just like spent my allotted time for Kaggle and I couldn't solve it because I was obviously exploring other things on the Kaggle like all the competitions. But if you just see the data here, here's the dataset. Simple train.csv. We have to predict the cost, like nothing fancy, but the dataset is huge. And if you not huge, because I have just explored other datasets, they are like 20 gigabyte and 30 gigabyte, but this dataset has 3,60,000 rows, right? And I haven't like encountered any dataset as if you can see on my YouTube, I have done many projects, right? But this is like the exact reason why I'm trying to deal with the datasets on Kaggle, which are like on the ongoing competitions in the real time. Because as like beginner we don't focus on these things, and now I am trying to like train model as I do always, like random forest regressor I did in this uh, house price prediction. It was going really good. It is using my library and UBML for automating all the regression algorithms and giving me the scores, right? But when I am trying to do on this data set which has like really large number of rows, then my CPU will go to 100%. This will go to 100% and like I couldn't proceed with this any further, right? So this is the first problem I am encountering. So I am aware of like other frameworks other than SKlearn, PyTorch, TensorFlow, and deep learning concepts, but I will just try to focus on how to deal with this problem, and I will let you know in the next day or the next update of this journey. And so what my approach will be from now is to enter into a real the competition which are going on right now. If you can see on the competition tab, and believe me guys, you just like read the statement and you couldn't figure out at the first go. Like these are really uh, hard for the newbies, right? I think my internet has some problem, but yeah, that's my approach. I will try to enter into real competitions and just try it out all of my knowledge to just give at least the submissions first, and then we will just see how we can improve the accuracies and all other stuff. Okay, it's not loading, but I have told you the strategy and I will meet you in the next update. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe the channel if you want.